Now let's see how to create a GoPeeko code. Start by going to www.gopeeko.com. On the home page, click Create a GP code. Then, drop a pin on the interactive map exactly where your location is. Give your location a friendly name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, choose your GP code. You can go with a free auto-generated numeric code which is instantly approved and ready to use. Or you can create a custom code, your business name, your property name, or even your phone number, making it memorable and easy to share. Confirm your details and within seconds your GP code is live. Every GP code also comes with its own QR code, so people can scan and go straight to your location. You can then share your GP code anywhere, on WhatsApp, email, business cards, websites or listings. Whether it is your home, your business, an event, an accommodation, a collection point or any hard-to-find place, GoPeeko makes sharing your exact location simple and reliable. Visit www.gopeeko.com and start creating your GP code today. GoPeeko, the simple way to create, search and share exact locations.